Well, hello. Welcome to Casa Stefano. So, in this episode, I've got to get the dust under control that's still in all the cracks and crevices and get ready for putting down the primer. So, stay tuned. Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia. All right, time for the primer. I'm using this Caracol Primer A Eco. Caracol is a popular brand out here, and I'm using a number of their products. It's always nice to have the same product family being used for especially surface preparation and tiling. So I thought I shook this up, but it could probably use a little more. So, because the walls are pretty porous, I'm doing a 3-to-1 mixture of this with water. So I got my 1 liter bottles here. I put a liter in here so I can kind of estimate how much of this to pour in. Of course, I wasn't meant to get so much of it on the floor, but that happens. So let's see here. That is right at about a liter. Let's get some of this exciting turquoise colored liquid off the ground. Okay, so soft bristle brush. You gotta love these. This is a common big old slap it on brush you find around here. So let's go get it on. Okay, so you might just see my backside while I start. I'm going to start at the top, obviously, and work my way down. So let's see how it goes. So I made a pretty good mess, and I got at least some of it on the walls. So I gotta clean this up. Thankfully, it's a water-based, organic, allegedly. With low volatility, meaning that you don't asphyxiate in an enclosed space because it's not full of chemicals that get released. So let's do some more. Still had a pretty good amount left, maybe a liter of the 4-liter mixture. So just doing a quick second coat. Okay, so let's take a look. It's green. It's kind of hard to tell the old green paint from this stuff. They tint the primer that green color because they couldn't imagine anybody using that color of paint. But surprise, surprise, there was a pretty ugly color of paint of some kind of green in here already. But anyway, so that's done. Now, that actually dries pretty rapidly, but it's late in the day. I'll leave it till tomorrow. And then we'll get on with it. I will say that, yeah, it's doesn't smell bad. It probably has less odor than paint. It's a really small enclosed space. And it didn't, it does have a kind of a chemically smell, but it's not terribly bad. So I think it worked out pretty well. Let's hope that it helps to stabilize some of this loose material and let the tiles stick to the wall. Even with the loose material, the previous tiles did stick. I just wanted to do a better job. So anyway, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like and tell your friends, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Where am I? And what am I doing? Well, on a day like this, how about we go check out Galatina?